Well, Uber has officially cut rates for drivers. We're gonna get into the details today. We're going over numbers, facts. Please thumbs up the video if you think that Uber drivers deserve more pay. I think Uber drivers deserve more pay. Now, there is a way to increase your earnings with a company called Play Octopus. I have a tablet right here. I also have it set up right here as well in my car. It's really easy to take on and off. I heard a lot of complaints about, oh, it's, you know, I hate taking it on and off. Well, there's one little strap right here. Anyways, this is what the tablet looks like. And you can start earning a lot of money. A lot of drivers make hundreds of dollars a month with Play Octopus with the referral program. You can post your links on Facebook. Anyway, sign up for Play Octopus with the link below. So we just ran a poll, survey study in our Facebook group saying, have your rates gone down or up in the past year? Only 5% of people have said that rates have gone up. 81% have said that rates have gone down, and 14% of people have said that rates have stayed the same. Now, with the price of inflation and the price of housing, grocery, goods, services, rent, everything going up and up and up. The cost of maintaining your car, not to mention gas prices, everything's going up in prices. Shouldn't Uber raise their rates like all the other companies are inputting salaries? And you know, you go to In-N-Out now, and a few years ago it's like 13, 14 bucks, and it was like crazy. Now you go to In-N-Out, $17.50 an hour, my friends, just to start out, and then you get raised. Like, people are making some good money in Uber and Lyft. Their rates have gone down according to the survey, or they've stayed the same, 40% of people say. So Julian Villalobos said rating or pay. Not sure what he means by that, but Ryan Kusuma says rates have stayed the same. Payout is completely different though. Passengers are getting charged more while we stay the same. Considering the increasing price of gas and inflation, we're getting paid less. That's what I'm saying, bro. Frickin' give me some nucks, dog. I agree with you. With gas of inflation, prices should be going up. By simply keeping the prices the same, you're essentially giving drivers less money. And by the way, oh yeah, we're giving out gas fuel surcharge, blah, blah, blah. Number one, you just scratched that for all of Uber Eats delivery orders. So if you're driving Uber and you're doing both, you're not getting that on Uber Eats rides. So, ha, caught you there. And number two, who the F made up these rates where, oh yeah, you do a 2-mile ride, you get a, what, 35-cent fuel surcharge bonus, and you do a 90-mile ride, 150-mile ride, and you're getting a 55-cent bonus. Don't you realize it costs more than 50 cents to drive 100 miles Uber? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's continue reading. Rates have gone down almost as much as your ability to admin this group. Oh, I got roasted, bro. I know, these Facebook groups are crazy. Anyways, just want to share this quick poll, but I want to hear from you. Have rates gone down or up or stayed the same for you? Thanks for watching, guys. Check out Play Octopus with the link in the description box down below. Start earning some extra income. Again, this is what it looks like. It's just a little tablet. It sticks right here. Your passengers hop in, play some games, and you make money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.